Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the TalkBack feature on your Redmi 14C. So let's say, for instance, if you'd like your phone to read aloud each and every thing that you tap on your screen, you can easily do that. All you have to do is open the settings application on your device. So find the settings app and tap on it. And then within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings. And then select accessibility. Now within the accessibility section, tap on the vision tab at the top. And then from the options that appear, you should see the TalkBack option. So select it. And then to enable it, all you have to do is tap on the toggle switch icon next to use TalkBack to enable that feature. And then at this point, you'll be prompted to allow any permissions that might be required for this feature to work properly. So all you have to do is tap on allow. And there you go, you have successfully enabled TalkBack. Now at this page, you'll be taken through a tutorial on how to use TalkBack. So from now on, you'll scroll. If you want to scroll down, you can simply use your two fingers. So use your two fingers to scroll down and read through all what the TalkBack is all about. Once you're done with this page one, you can simply tap on next and then double tap to go to the next page. And then you learn what to do during this TalkBack period. So you can just read through all the pages. So if you're done with page 2, tap on next and then double tap on it. So double tap to go to the next page and then read through all this tutorial that you need to read through or to do so that you can learn how to use TalkBack on your device. So tap on next, double tap to go to the next page. Then read through the page, tap on next, double tap to the next, double tap to go to the next one, and repeat the same process until you're done. Now once you're done to page 6, you can scroll down and tap on finish, and then double tap on finish. And then you should see this option. Have you finished reviewing your tutorial? So if you're done finishing, tap on finish and double tap. And there you go. So it might be prompted to allow any permission. So simply tap on allow and double tap on it to confirm. That's basically it on how to enable TalkBack on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.